I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: the latest Dolphin build, Wi-Fi or NetPlay compatible plugin, and an active network adapter. Once done, enable Dolphin's developer or NetPlay options. This gives you access to the required networking menus. Make sure to load the correct game ISO or folder and open the game's net settings so Dolphin maps the virtual adapters. This step matters because Dolphin emulates console networking. Without matching settings, the console stack won't talk to remote servers. Next, configure detailed networking. Choose TAP/TUN or a bridged adapter based on your host OS and router. This determines whether Dolphin appears on the local network. Then, map the in-game server IP and port numbers into Dolphin's network settings so packets route correctly. Make sure NAT traversal or port forwarding aligns with the chosen mode, and tweak MTU and DNS only if you see fragmentation or resolution failures. Doing this prevents packet loss and keeps late. To finish, run a quick connection test. Use local loopback or a trusted server to confirm Dolphin negotiates sessions. Once you see successful handshakes, start the game and monitor latency. If something breaks, enable Dolphin's network logging and capture packets to inspect where traffic is blocked. Make sure your firewall or router forwards the specified ports, and if UDP fails, switch to bridged mode. This often resolves NAT-related drops. With these final checks, you'll be online and ready to play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.